Right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Super quick one today. One, I haven't got time this weekend to edit. Two, this is a quick diagnosis. So B-Class 2014, can't remember. Yeah, 246 B-Class. Airbag light on, steering wheel buttons not working. Pretty much tell what it is over the phone, but want to judge it until I saw it. So I'll just show you. So turn the ignition on, got airbag light on, and then if I press the back button, if I press this back button, airbag light should disappear. Nothing working. What I'll do is I'll start this up. I'm going to get the mic off. I'm going to put you up here, and you should be able to hear it. That would be the clock spring broken, which is your little ribbon inside the steering wheel, just behind the steering wheel, that connects the wires to the airbag and the steering wheel buttons. And it's wrapped in like a little ribbon. They call it a clock spring because it's wrapped round like a clock spring. And that makes it so you can still turn the steering wheel left and right, and you can still use your electrical items without it ripping the cables out. Which this time it has done, so it hasn't worked in this case. So I'll just quickly show you how to replace this airbag control module and then teach it in. Also need some drop links. So yeah, sorry, quick one today. Let's get into it. Right. First step when we're dealing with airbags, always disconnect the earth terminal of the battery first. Right, disconnected. Right, to remove most of the airbags on Mercedes, one little trick. I use a little crappy T25 torque screwdriver, which I think I bought from Poundland when I was an apprentice. Good old cheap tools when you're an apprentice. I'll just show you where to push it. If you look up here, this one's already got a hole in it. You should see a little indent just on this side of the steering wheel and that side of the steering wheel. And if you basically go in straight like that, it releases the airbag on that side. And then we'll do the same on the other side. See the hole there? This has already been off before. Voila! Airbag's off. Right, airbag out. He says while he struggles. Just two little tabs on that, release that. Put that in a safe spot. And then, oh, no, there's still another plug. I forgot the other plug. Release the other steering wheel control buttons. Better if you've got a pick. 10mm Allen key. Sometimes these can be a bit tight. Ooh, like that. Right. Pull that off. What I always like to do is make sure the steering wheel dead straight when you take it off. And then easy to line back up again. But there is marks in there as well, so just make sure they line up with that. There, steering wheel off. Easy peasy. Next thing, loosen that down, pull that out, release this cover. That just pops off like that, and then pull. Like that. Easy. One nodule. Right, hard to see in there, but it doesn't turn now while it's off. Yeah, you can see the ribbon in there is a little bit all torn up. So yeah, replace that. Jobs are good and right, so new module. Got a little safety on there. This is to stop this spinning around in transit, so you know this is at the center position. So all we've got to do is break that off, just whip it off once it's installed. So we'll quickly install this now. Just repeat the process in reverse order, basically. Why aren't you going on? What are you hitting on? What the? Okay. Being an idiot. Right, slot this in the front there. Clip, clip, done. Up, down, in, snap, off, on. In the right place. Where's my torch? Make sure it's in the right place. In the right place. Bolt back in. And what we want to do, 80 Newton meters. This is normally set to 30. So it takes a while to get to 80. I think my wife's coming. Always spying on me. What's she doing? Why are you spying on me? Talk. One for luck. Right, 80 Newton meters, tight. Plug in. One other plug in. Boom, easy. Connect the battery up. I'll code it in now. Right, I'm just going to let everyone know out here, because I've got a Mercedes Diagnostics, I have to pay per hour of use. Can't talk about getting their money out of me. So, anybody wonders why my Diagnostic's quite expensive? That's why. Right, initial quick test. Near the score, get rid of that. Right, qualify steering column control module. Go away phone. Steering column control module. Continue, 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 continue. Adaptations, initial startup, control unit. Boom, start that. Bloody phone. Shh. My wife's out at the moment, so she can't answer the phone. Sorry. Right, so you gotta make sure it's in the center position, which it is. So print that, make sure we've got a record of that. Do that. 0 minute update, which is brilliant. New control. Oh, module. Probably not spelt right. No, don't care. That's it. That's all. Initial start for control unit. Boom. Done. Print that. So I've got record. Distronic in adaptation tab. I'm pretty sure I don't have Distronic. Right, that was all done. Whack a couple of drop links on it because the boots are split. I'll show you that. Might as well. Add something to the video. Boring, but yeah. Just quickly show you that now. Well guys, so the only reason why I'm replacing these drop links is they're split. Split. These drop links are pretty good. They just split sometimes. Clean them off. Yeah. Oh, these span off. Out. New one. In. That one up there. That one up there. Done. Right, spin that new one on. Alright, a little trick. Hold a spanner on it, undo it. Ooga dooga for the win! Woo! One new drop link, sweet. Do the other side. I'll just film this from a bit of a distance this time. Yes, I am a double clicker. Right, sorry guys, super quick one to this week. Mainly, it's mental this week. I can't keep up. Next week's even worse. So, don't know what video you're gonna get next week. Could be me just lying on the floor. That's probably what's gonna happen. So yeah, be careful with airbags, people. Don't piss around with them. Never had one blow up on me. Heard of them blowing up, so yeah, don't let them. If you're not capable of doing it, don't bother doing it. Get somebody professional to do it. Just disconnect the battery. Normally your safe bet. Yeah, any of my stuff. If you think you can do it, don't attempt it if you think you might make a mistake. Let a professional do it. You won't have to pay twice. But yeah, quick video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll hit 100 subscribers, woo! If I can hit 1,000 this year, be winning. Just a little fun little thing to do. As well as run around like a blue ass spy, trying to run a business. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, that's a B-Class. It's going to be the same on an A-Class as well. A-Class, B-Class, same thing, same difference. Bigger, smaller, big fish, little fish, cardboard flops. Yeah, if you've got anything from it, put it down in the comments. Got any questions for me, put it in the comments. Try and get back to you. And I'll see you next week for something else. Bye-bye.